self-locking anchor, real easy to deploy. Lift up, let the line slide through your hand. To pull it up, hand over hand, and it locks. One of the things that I came up with is this anchor mount. This is simply some plywood that I put some wood screws. This anchor bracket is from Scotty that I got from Amazon, and I screwed it in the wood. I cut off the ends of the screws with a cut-off tool, like a Dremel, and I also glued this down with E6000. I also coated the bottom with E6000, which is like a shoe glue product. I used it in my other videos. Any silicone glue. Right when it was tacky, almost dried, that's when I laid down the Velcro, and this is solid to the wood. I laid Velcro on this cover plate, end plate for the canoe, and it simply goes right here, and you can pull the anchor up. It self-locks. You lift it up, it releases. We'll show you that in the water. This is worth its weight in, fill in the blank, whatever you want to say, gold, silver, copper. But this is really invaluable for a fisherman. The other advantage, because it's Velcro, you never know, a big wake, a boat could come by. You can rip it off and it just goes in the water, and I always have a float on my anchor, so I can always retrieve my anchor. But that type of security, so you can cut loose your anchor in an emergency, is really valuable. Pull it up, lock it. I'm sure the engineers, the brains over at Winona is going to come up with something like this. And if you guys build this, you're going to sell a boatload of them. Correction, you're going to sell a canoe load of them. In addition, I will show you how to get clams out of a canoe when nobody else can get clams. It's a pretty cool trick I've developed.